Most traders lose because of hesitation and guessing. You watch charts, doubt every move, and one mistake can cost you. Now imagine the opposite: no stress, no guessing. Just clear signals and simple decisions. That's what this AI bot gives you. Real-time signals, fast, accurate, and easy to follow. No fear, just confidence. Let me show you. Our first trade is a buy signal on Euro GBP. The AI bot gave the signal in real time, no guessing, no hesitation. I took the trade, followed the signal. Right after, we got a strong buy signal on Euro CHF. Again, no confusion, no overthinking. Just a clear, precise signal, and I took the trade. Then came another strong buy signal on Euro CHF. The AI bot sent it in real time, very clear and easy to follow. I took the trade right away. The bot makes it simple to trade without stress, and the result came fast. Here's the truth. This AI bot isn't just about signals. It's about peace of mind. No more guessing, no more stress, just clear trades you can follow and get results from. If you're tired of trading blind and want something that actually works, click the link below and get instant access today.